Hi everyone, this is Steven from Atomy Canada. In the previous episode of Smart Atomian's Guide, we learned how to create your personal Instagram account. And today, we are learning how to post on Instagram. So, if you haven't created your account yet, please watch the sign up for Instagram episode. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram application and click on the plus icon at the screen. Choose the photo or video you want to share. You can edit your pictures by choosing a filter or just skip the process by clicking next. Now, let's write the caption for your post with some hashtags. Oh, wait a minute! What is a hashtag? Hashtags are functions that help other Instagrammers to easily find your post. For example, try writing #AtomyCanada, #EboHim, #AbsoluteSkincare as hashtags. Now, all you have to do is tapping share to finish uploading your post. Isn't it easy? When posting on Instagram, you can update your followers with videos, photos, and share your business status to global partners all over the world. Let's now learn about the meaning of some important icons. Click on the heart icon if you like a photo or video. Click on the speech bubble icon to leave a comment. And click the paper airplane icon if you want to share the post. Now, here are some useful tips for hashtags. Hashtags are tags used to specify topics and keywords from your post. To use them effectively, choose words that other users are talking about and that are relatable to your post. So, what hashtags would be good for Atomy? First, our company, #Atomy. Find Atomians in Canada with #AtomyCanada. One of Atomy Canada's favorite product, #EboHim. Next, hashtags that our followers can relate to, like #skincare, #healthy lifestyle, and seasonal hashtags like #Mother's Day and #Christmas. Help increase the views of your post and help your business grow. Instagram is a powerful platform to share information and very useful to leverage your business. So, how about becoming an Atomy Instagram master? Today, we covered everything about posting on Instagram. We learned about how to upload pictures and videos and how to use hashtags. How did you like the tips? Helpful? Alright. Please stay tuned for the upcoming Smart Atomian's Guide. See you all everyone on Instagram. Thank you.